Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today our group will present our group project, and now I will introduce myself and my group member. My name is Muhammad Aiman bin Rehman, and my group member is Muhammad Khalif Irman bin Muhammad Fahmi, Muhammad Alif Syami bin Muhammad Syarul Amri, Muhammad Taib Denan bin Muhammad Nur Faizal. For now, I will present our objective and our scope. For objective, the main purpose of this project is to produce a product or a prototype that can help chili farmers harvest their chili using the best method they can use. Therefore, this first of objective is required to complete this project. Firstly, to develop a prototype of a chili picker semi-automatic, and second, to design a proper saw blade to cut chili pellicle. For scope, the main target for the use of our device is chilies. The chili picker use a blade like hair clipper. The blade must be not too sharp to break the chili's pellicle, or it will damage the pellicle. There is a container that will collect the chili under the machine. The chili picker uses a battery to source power. For significance of study, from our analysis, there are a lot of things that we learn during conduct the project. Firstly, we learn the common conventional way to pluck the chili and how most farmers do it to keep the trees in the best shape while plucking the chili. Next, we decided on the best method to pluck the chilies even faster without harming the tree. Our device is modified from a hair clipper, a bucket, and a battery type D. Using inspiration from the objects of daily life, we have designed a tool that will help the farmer harvest chili at a significant rate. It is also more portable and safer than a blunt knife, which guarantees the farmer's safety from an accident.
So now we will present about project background. In this developing country of Malaysia, the population statistic in a website named Portal Rasmi Jabatan Pertanian has been collected by the Federal Agriculture Marketing Authority. Based on the data in Appendix A, shows around a 7.2% increase in chili crop area by the state in 2017 compared to 2021. While the population of Malaysian people also increased by about 0.2%, which is 32.7 million people in 2021 compared to 32.6 million in 2021. Therefore, the increasing number of people in Malaysia affect the number of producers of chilies in Malaysia. Those producers are decreasing in 2018 because of certain problems they face while cultivating their own chilies farm. Anim Agrotechnology website states that some problems that chilies encounter are pests, bacteria, and a lack of technical skill. Even though there are fewer producers, they have discovered a new method for making a lot of chilies quickly. The new method is chili fertigation, often known as chili planting with an open fertigation system.
Conceptual design. The first design is innovated by a hair clipper, then the way it works is also the same. The blade will move to the left and the right to cut the chili pedicle. Firstly, design 1 use a rechargeable battery because the battery is more environmentally friendly than buying a normal battery over and over. After that, design 1 using a semi-auto button to activate the tool. This will save more battery use than the auto button to activate the tool. Moreover, the rough surface of the body part is to make the farmer more comfortable and not slippery. The blade is made of mild steel plate and the blade must be dull to make sure it will break the pedicle instead of cutting the pedicle Beside, the design 1 is using a DC 3V motor as the engine to turn on the tool. For the second design, this chili picker is designed in a small size to it easy to hold it. There is a place to insert the finger so it can stay at hand when we use it. The tool's blade is made from aluminium, which is stainless steel, so they hold up for a long time. The body is made from plastic so it can withstand the high temperature of the motor. There are motors inside it to move the blade. There is also a place where you can put a battery inside. Other than that, there are baskets that pick all the chili when the chili cut down. It will fall into the basket. The basket can stand about 1 kg of chili at one time. There are buttons to turn it on and turn it off so it did not waste the energy of the battery.
I will continue about the conceptual design. This design this design innovated from the hair clipper, but it had a different and unique design. Firstly, the body is made up of stainless steel. The reason why I choose this material is as the body of this design is strong, had the durability to serve longer, and is more repellent to corrosion from acid and other environmental conditions. I also can ensure that they are long-lasting. Furthermore, the blade had a not different design like a hair clipper. It is because to easily cut the pedicle chilies. Moreover, the design of the body is like a rectangle because it is easier to hold this machine when we cut the pedicle chilies and make the farmer more comfortable to use the machine for a long time. This design is used battery AA to make this machine work. The reason why I choose the AA battery is that this battery has low cost, high energy density, environmental safety, and low temperature. Next is the fourth design. The design was made with a few things in mind. The top half is made from mild steel, while the bottom would be made from plastic, which would be a detachable piece for easy cleaning. The top half would have blunt blades and in order to dematch the chili pedicle and have hinge and a spring in order for it to reduce time restriction. It also is made from a studio material in order to have enough force to remove the chili without causing harm to the device itself. It is portable and made around the size of one's palm, allowing farmers to easily use it. Due to it having been made from two different materials, the cost might be slightly higher due to custom manufacturing. It also will have reduced efficiency due to the frequency of emptying out the holding container because of its small size.
So now I will be presenting about embodiment design. For embodiment design, we use weight rating method to get the best design for our project, and it also helps us to collect the data from every design. So for the first design, the total weight rating is 4.01. For the second design, the total weight rating is 3.75. And the third design is the total weight rating is 3.71. And our last design is the fourth design, which is the total weight rating is 3.89.
So this is our final design after we draw it in SolidWorks.
So the conclusion is this project has provided a more thorough explanation of the project background. It also discovered the strength and weakness of the technologies. The project's implementation research, including the material chosen and the proper design, has a substantial beneficial influence. In addition, technical tools must be employed to make it more field specific.